Do you know who first defined sustainability? Mama Norway, Norway's first female head of state, Gro Harlem Brundtland. Gro has always campaigned for environmental friendly praxis. She led the commission that first defined sustainability, development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. The doctor and mother of four entered political life with a mission to do the best job she could. She was deeply engaged on women's right to end unwanted pregnancy. In 1974, she was asked to the Prime Minister's office. She thought she would be asked to tone down the activism. Instead, she was asked to join the cabinet as the world's first Minister of Environment. In 1981, she became Norway's youngest and first female Prime Minister. Brundtland never had fewer than 8 women in her 18-member cabinet. At this time, most of the mothers in Norway did not work. After being inspired by Gro's leadership, the tables were turned, growing Norway's economy. When asked how she could handle so much resistance, she replied, "I'm doing it for all the women that will follow." In 1998, she moved on as the Director General of the World Health Organization. Now she enjoys life as a grandmother. Gro's mantra is as important as ever before. Human health and the health of the ecosystems are inseparable.